The Emporia Pro Level 2 EV charger delivers genuinely quick home charging at up to 48 amperes, making overnight top-ups easy even for larger battery packs. Its PowerSmart load management is a standout, automatically adjusting charging so you can use existing household electrical capacity instead of paying for a panel upgrade. Integration with the Emporia app adds real value, letting you schedule sessions, avoid expensive peak periods, and monitor energy use from your phone with clear, detailed data. The included Emporia Vue energy monitor turns the charger into part of a broader home energy system, helping you see exactly how vehicle charging fits into your overall consumption and where you can cut waste. Installation is flexible and user-friendly, with the option to use a NEMA 14-50 plug or a hardwired setup, plus a long 25-foot cable that easily reaches most driveway or garage parking spots. Build quality, feels robust and weather-ready, and it is reassuring that the unit comes from a company focused on home energy management with responsive support based in the United States.